So far, we've really enjoyed the southern part of WA. It was quite windy and cold in Albany, but we still enjoyed our stay there. The coastline there is pretty stunning. We weren't too sure it could get any better, but it certainly did. This is the most magical spot you've ever seen, or what? I can't believe we have this amazing spot. It's like being on a paradise island. Good morning!
Morning.
Today, the three of us are off for a bush hike. The wildflower season has just begun, but we still managed to find lots of beautiful little flowers to look at. This plant really blew my mind. Have you ever seen triangular shaped leaves before? And then we got to Bremmer Bay and it took our breath away. The water is so clear and so turquoise, it was really magical. Plus it got to 22 degrees and we scrambled to find t-shirts and shorts in the van, not expecting this sudden change of temperature. The warm breeze and sunshine made us long for summer to return. But it's worth it. It's so pretty out here. Oh my god.